Let's talk about the OnePlus Pad 3. This isn't just another tablet. It's a complete game changer that redefines what an Android tablet can do. Right out of the gate, it's packing the world's fastest mobile CPU, the Snapdragon 8 Elite mobile platform. We're talking 45% faster CPU performance, 40% faster graphics, and a ridiculous 300% boost in AI processing power compared to previous generations. That Antutu score? Nearly 3 million points. This kind of power turns mobile gaming into a whole new experience, but we'll get to that in a second. First, let's talk about that stunning 13.2-inch display. This isn't just any screen, it's a 3.4K resolution marvel with 12-bit color depth and buttery-smooth 144Hz refresh rate. With 315 pixels per inch, Dolby Vision HDR, and 900 nits of peak brightness, every image pops with insane clarity. Whether you're editing photos, watching movies, or just scrolling through content, the visuals are absolutely breathtaking. And that 12-bit color depth? That means over 68 billion colors, making this one of the most color-accurate displays you'll find on any tablet. Now here's where it gets really interesting, the design. At just 5.97 millimeters thick with a full metal unibody construction, the OnePlus Pad 3 is impossibly slim yet incredibly durable. They've managed to pack a massive 12,140 mAh battery into the sleek frame, the largest in its class. We're talking up to 18 hours of video playback or 6 hours of intensive AAA gaming. And when you do need to recharge, the 80W fast charging gets you back in action in no time. Gamers, listen up, this tablet is an absolute beast. The upgraded Adreno GPU delivers ultra-smooth frame rates while the advanced cooling system keeps everything running optimally. With a vapor chamber and graphite composite materials covering over 34,857 square millimeters, you get 14% better heat dissipation than previous models. No more thermal throttling. Just consistent peak performance even during marathon gaming sessions. The audio experience is just as impressive. 8 speakers, 4 bass units, and 4 tweeters create a studio-quality soundscape with Dolby Atmos support. Whether you're gaming, watching movies, or listening to music, the spatial audio separation makes you feel like you're right in the middle of the action. But what really sets the OnePlus Pad 3 apart is how it works with your other devices. The seamless connectivity with OnePlus phones is next level. No more messing with hotspots, just use your phone's 5G connection directly on your tablet. You get instant file sharing, notification sync, clipboard sharing, and even the ability to remotely control your Mac computer with full gesture support and privacy features. Now let's talk about the AI capabilities because this is where things get really smart. The built-in OnePlus AI features are absolute productivity boosters. Instant translation for websites and documents, one-tap article summaries, AI writing assistance, and even text-to-speech functionality for on-the-go content consumption. And with Google Gemini integration, you've got a powerful AI assistant ready to help with everything from creative projects to daily planning. There's even a dedicated AI button on the keyboard for instant access. For creators and professionals, the accessory ecosystem takes things to another level. The OnePlus Stylo 2 offers 16,000 levels of pressure sensitivity with ultra-low latency and haptic feedback, making it feel like you're working with real pen and paper. The smart keyboard features a full 6-row layout with NFC tap-to-share functionality, turning your tablet into a legitimate productivity powerhouse. From the stunning display to the desktop-class performance, from the all-day battery to the intelligent features, the OnePlus Pad 3 isn't just keeping up with the competition, it's leaving it in the dust. Whether you're a creative professional, a mobile gamer, or just someone who appreciates cutting-edge technology, this tablet delivers an experience that's second to none. If you're as excited about the OnePlus Pad 3 as we are, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth tech coverage. Let us know in the comments what feature excites you the most. Is it the insane display, the gaming performance, or maybe those AI capabilities? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.